Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, you will listen to a simple and natural English conversation between Jessica and Alex. They are talking about their morning routine and what they like to eat for breakfast. This conversation is easy to understand and perfect for beginner English learners. Listen carefully, pay attention to the pronunciation, and try to repeat the sentences after the speakers. Let's get started and enjoy learning English together.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Jessica.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept great.
Are you hungry now?
A little. You?
Yes, very hungry.
What do you want to eat?
Maybe eggs and toast.
Sounds delicious.
What will you eat?
I think cereal today.
Do you like fruit?
Yes, I love bananas.
I like apples and oranges.
Fruit is healthy.
Do you want some juice?
Yes, orange juice, please.
I will make coffee too.
Great, I love coffee.
How do you like your coffee?
With milk and sugar.
I like mine black.
Everyone is different.
Do you have plans today?
Yes, I go to work.
What time do you start?
At 9 o'clock.
I start at 10.
That's nice.
Do you walk or drive?
I take the bus.
I usually walk.
Walking is good exercise.
Yes, it makes me feel good.
Me too.
Breakfast is ready now.
Great. I'm excited.
Let's sit at the table.
Okay, let's eat.
The food smells good.
Yes, it smells amazing.
Enjoy your breakfast.
Thank you, you too.
Have a great day.
You too, Jessica.
See you later.
In this video, Jessica and Alex chat about movies they like.
Alex, do you like movies?
Yes, I love movies.
How often do you watch movies?
I watch movies every week.
Do you watch them at home or in the cinema?
Mostly at home.
What's your favorite type of movie?
I like action movies.
Oh, nice. I like romantic movies.
Romantic movies are nice too.
They can be very emotional.
Yes, sometimes they make me cry.
Do you like drama movies?
Sometimes, but not too much.
I understand.
What about horror movies?
No, I don't like horror.
Me neither.
Did you watch anything recently?
Yes, I watched a new action film.
Where did you watch it?
I watched it at home.
Was it good?
Yes, it was very exciting.
Who was in the movie?
A famous actor.
I like movies with good actors.
Me too.
How long was the movie?
About 2 hours.
That's not too long.
Yes, the time went fast.
I want to watch it.
I think you will like it.
Is it on streaming?
Yes, it is.
Great, that's easy.
We can watch it together.
That's a great idea.
Maybe this weekend?
Yes, the weekend works.
Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday evening is good.
Perfect for me.
Should we get snacks?
Yes, popcorn and drinks.
I love popcorn.
Me too.
Sweet or salty?
Salty, please.
Okay, I'll bring popcorn.
I'll bring drinks.
What time should we start?
Around 7 o'clock.
Sounds good.
I'm excited already.
Me too.
It will be fun.
I like watching movies with friends.
Yes, it's more enjoyable.
After the movie, we can talk about it.
That's my favorite part.
Maybe next time we watch a romantic movie.
I'd like that.
We can take turns choosing movies.
That sounds fair.
See you this weekend.
See you on Saturday.
Don't forget the drinks.
I won't.
Welcome! In this video, Jessica and Alex shop for food at the grocery store.
Jessica, do you need groceries?
Yes, I need a few things.
Let's shop together today.
Oh, thank you. Sounds good.
What do you need first?
Milk, bread, and some eggs.
Okay, let's start with dairy.
The milk aisle is there.
Whole milk or low fat?
Whole milk, please. Thanks today.
Great, I'll put it cart.
Next, let's get some bread.
White bread or brown bread?
Brown bread is healthier.
I agree, it tastes nice.
Oh, eggs are nearby too.
How many eggs should we buy?
A dozen is enough today.
Cool, eggs look fresh today.
Do you need fruits also?
Yes, maybe apples or oranges.
Apples are cheaper today.
Nice. Let's pick red apples.
These apples look really good.
Should we get bananas too?
Sure, bananas are easy snacks.
I'll grab some bananas now.
Great, thank you for helping.
No problem. Shopping is fun.
Haha, yes, especially together today.
Do you need vegetables today?
Yes, tomatoes and maybe onions.
The tomatoes look fresh here.
Oh, nice, let's get some.
How about onions, white or red?
White onions, please, not many.
Okay, I'll choose small ones.
Thanks, you're very helpful.
Anything else on your list?
Maybe rice and some pasta.
The rice aisle is next.
I like this brand here.
Okay, let's take one bag.
Pasta is just nearby too.
Spaghetti or penne? Today.
Spaghetti, please. It's easy to cook.
Got it. Adding spaghetti now.
I think that's everything needed.
Great, let's head to checkout.
Oh, the line looks short.
Nice, we won't wait long.
I can pay my part.
Sure, that's totally fine today.
Thanks again. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, happy to help.
Shopping together makes things easier.
Yeah, it's faster and nicer.
We should do this again.
For sure, just tell me.
Okay, let's pack these bags.
Careful, the eggs are fragile.
Oh yes, I'll be careful.
All done, ready to go.
Yes, let's head home now.
Today was a productive trip.
Definitely. We bought everything needed.
Thanks for the company, Jessica.
Thank you too. See you.
Have a great day ahead.
You too. Take care. Bye.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more fun and easy English conversations. Keep learning, keep smiling, and see you next time.